Welcome to our 59-second series to learn HubSpot. Ready to learn how to connect your domain to HubSpot right now? I'm so excited, so now let's dive in. So first thing first, go to your HubSpot, go to setting, then go to content, click on domain URL, and here you can click on connect a domain. You have two choices. One is primary, second is email sending. I click on primary, connect, and here I have to select brand domain. So you have only one brand domain inside your account. Otherwise, you will need the Content Hub Enterprise. Click on Hublead, next. And here, for example, I want to implement for website pages. I don't want a subdomain, so I leave it blank. Next. And now you need to add your DNS records to your domain provider. So HubSpot can verify if you are the owner of the domain. Once you added this DNS records, it can take up to 1 hour.
Hello, I'm a power HubSpot user, but I do not know how to configure DNS.
Don't worry, Marty. According to my calculation, there should be a link to a wonderful tutorial in the description to learn how to implement DNS. And that's it. I hope you like this tutorial. And if you have any question, please comment below the video so I can answer to you. And subscribe to our channel to get more videos like that. Bye!